Hi everyone, I'm Wafa Langav and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we are going to discuss the perfect tense that is known as present perfect tense from active voice into passive voice. That will be our sixth tense and you are going to change them. We are going to change them from active voice into passive voice. Now in active voice we have already discussed that subject is the doer of an action. In passive voice subject is affected, means he is asked to do the work. Now in simple sentences, let's little bit differentiate the subject of active voice and passive voice. In active voice subject is the doer of an action and in passive voice subject is affected. When it is affected, that will be called agent. Clear? Not object. Like we have got the rules as we have already discussed in first lecture of active voice and passive voice, that when subject takes the place of object, there it will be called object agent, and when object takes the place of subject, there it will be called subject, but that subject will not be the doer of an action, but that will be called title or topic subject, which we are talking about. So here this subject is known as topic subject, which we are talking about. Now we are talking about in first sentence exams, and in second sentence we are talking about she. And in the same way, here subject is the doer of an action Ali, and in the second sentence it will be known as we. But in agent, Ali and subject is not object. Why? Because they are the doer of an action, means they get the work done. So that is what you will be calling them here, agent. Now let's begin the simple sentences of active voice. What are simple sentences? Those sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. Formula for that: subject, helping verb, third form, object, and full stop. In passive voice, subject, helping verb, being, third form, by, agent, and full stop. Ali has cleared exams. Exams have been cleared by Ali. We have encouraged her. She has been encouraged by us. Negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, refuse the statement. Like Ali has not cleared exams. Exams have not been cleared by Ali. We have not encouraged her. She has not been encouraged by us. Interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask question or put queries are called interrogative sentences. Has Ali cleared exams? Have exams been cleared by Ali? Have we encouraged her? Has she been encouraged by us? Formal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, respective way, polite way. Has Ali not cleared exams? Have exams not been cleared by Ali? Have we not encouraged her? Has she not been encouraged by us? Informal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement, and we ask them in a informal way, are called informal sentences. Hasn't Ali cleared exams? Haven't exams been cleared by Ali? Haven't we encouraged her? Hasn't she been encouraged by us? So these are the simple, negative, interrogative, formal and informal sentences of active voice into passive voice of present perfect tense. But main thing is practice, as we will be practicing them over there in one by one. And today we have 6 tenses, so it means 30 sentences for each verb we will be making. Yes, so let's begin. First verb we will write, and that is known as, suppose we say, guide, buy, clean, drive, and wax. So let's begin the first verb, and that is known as guide. You guide him. He is guided by you. He is not guided by you. Is he guided by you? Is he not guided by you? Isn't he guided by you? He was guided by you. He was not guided by you. Was he guided by you? Was he not guided by you? Wasn't he guided by you? He will be guided by you. He will not be guided by you. Will he be guided by you? Will he not be guided by you? Won't he be guided by you? He is being guided by you. He is not being guided by you. Is he being guided by you? Is he not being guided by you? Isn't he being guided by you? He was being guided by you. He was not being guided by you. Was he being guided by you? Was he not being guided by you? Wasn't he being guided by you? He has been guided by you. He has not been guided by you. Has he been guided by you? Has he not been guided by you? Hasn't he been guided by you? Buy. She buys a watch. Watch is bought by her. Watch is not bought by her. Is watch bought by her? Is watch not bought by her? Isn't watch bought by her? Watch was bought by her. Watch was not bought by her. Was watch bought by her? Was watch not bought by her? Wasn't watch bought by her? Watch will be bought by her. Watch will not be bought by her. Will watch be bought by her? Will watch not be bought by her? Won't watch be bought by her? Watch is being bought by her. Watch is not being bought by her. Is watch being bought by her, is watch not being bought by her, isn't watch being bought by her, watch was being bought by her, watch was not being bought by her, was watch being bought by her, was watch not being bought by her, wasn't watch being bought by her, watch has been bought by her, watch has not been bought by her, as watch been bought by her, as watch not been bought by her, hasn't watch been bought by her. Clean, servant cleans the room, room is cleaned by servant, room is not cleaned by servant, is room cleaned by servant, is room not cleaned by servant, isn't room cleaned by servant, room was cleaned by servant, room was not cleaned by servant, was room cleaned by servant, was room not cleaned by servant, wasn't room cleaned by servant, room will be cleaned by servant, room will not be cleaned by servant, will room be cleaned by servant, will room not be cleaned by servant, won't room be cleaned by servant, room is being cleaned by servant, room is not being cleaned by servant, is room being cleaned by servant, is room not being cleaned by servant, isn't room being cleaned by servant, room was being cleaned by servant, room was not being cleaned by servant, was room being cleaned by servant, was room not being cleaned by servant, wasn't room being cleaned by servant, room has been cleaned by servant, as room has not been cleaned by servant, as room being cleaned by servant, as room not being cleaned by servant, hasn't room being cleaned by servant. Drive, okay, I drive a car, car is driven by me, car is not driven by me, is car driven by me, is car not being is not car not driven by me, isn't car driven by me, car was driven by me, car was not driven by me, was car driven by me, was car not driven by me, wasn't car driven by me, car will be driven by me, car will not be driven by me, will car be driven by me, will car not be driven by me, won't car be driven by me, car is being driven by me, car is not being driven by me, is car being driven by me, is car not being driven by me, isn't car being driven by me, car has been driven by, car was being driven by me, car was not being driven by me, was car being driven by me, was car not being driven by me, wasn't car being driven by me, car has been driven by me, car has not been driven by me, is car being as car being as car being driven by me, as car not being driven by me, hasn't car being driven by, as car hasn't car being driven by me. Wax means to tease or tantalize, like I say, you vex her, she is vexed by you, she is not vexed by you, is she vexed by you, is she not vexed by you, isn't she vexed by you, she was vexed by you, she was not vexed by you, was she vexed by you, was she not vexed by you, wasn't she vexed by you, she will be vexed by you, she will not be vexed by you, will she be vexed by you, will she not be vexed by you, won't she be vexed by you, she is being vexed by you, she is not being vexed by you, is she being vexed by you, is she not being vexed by you, isn't she being vexed by you, she was being vexed by you, she was not being vexed by you, was she being vexed by you, was she not being vexed by you, wasn't she being vexed by you, she has been vexed by you, she has not been vexed by you, has she been vexed by you, has she not been vexed by you, hasn't she been vexed by you. So today we have got the practice of almost 3 multiplied by 5 are equal to 150 sentences. So keep practicing in the same way, you'll be improving it a lot. If you have got any confusion, any problem, you can ask me anytime. Most welcome. Wish you best of luck. Keep practicing. Enjoy your studies. Allah Hafiz.